Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open a Ford Fiesta glove box. First, locate the glove box on the passenger side of your vehicle's dashboard. You'll see a small handle or latch, usually centered on the top edge of the glove box door. Simply pull this handle gently towards you. The latch should release, allowing the door to swing downwards smoothly. It's a straightforward process for quick access. Sometimes, a glove box might feel a bit stuck. If it doesn't open on the first try applying a slight upward pressure to the top of the glove box door while simultaneously pulling the handle. You can also gently wiggle the handle as you pull. This can help dislodge a stubborn latch or any minor resistance. Remember to be gentle to avoid damage. A common reason for a glove box not opening is simply being overfilled. Take a moment to ensure there aren't too many items pushing against the door from the inside. If you can, try to peek inside or gently shake the door to see if anything shifts. Also, check the latch area for any small debris that might be preventing it from engaging properly. For smooth, long-term operation, consider a little maintenance. A small amount of silicone spray on the latch mechanism can keep it working freely. When you're done, make sure all your items are neatly organized inside, not bulging out. To close, simply push the door upwards until you hear a distinct click, confirming it's securely latched.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.